guys, good morning, happy Saturday. We are at High Point Shopping Center again. So I'm here to get my eye test done. So we're going to Specsavers. So we're just taking the pram out, guys, for Paris. And we're then gonna take Paris out. Hi! 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 Say hi! So guys, my appointment is not until 12:30 and it is, yeah, I think it's 10 past 12 now. But yeah, so here's my look for today, guys. I just went into sporty look. But I can guys mag-gym ba? It's warm inside, guys. So that's where we're going, guys. Specsavers. Oh, it's strange. So guys, I'm just waiting to be called. So while waiting, we're just trying on some frames. I really like this one, guys. This one, but it's $250. Well, mostly they're 50% off. But it always happens, right? Like if you like something, it's excluded from the sale that's going on in the store. So I'll give this a go. Don't fall, don't fall. What do you think, guys? Hi guys, so I just got out from the optometrist and the result was my eyes are still dry, so I need to keep doing my my drops and my eye gel. So there's actually one added, guys. What was that? So there's a lid wipes. So you know, if you feel like a bit crusty in the morning, like your eye, then you have to use the lid wipes, because apparently it's very refreshing for the eyes, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna get that from the chemist soon while Paris is walking around. Whoop. Yeah, so I've also gotten my prescription, guys, for my glasses. So it is for the right and left is the same. It is negative 2.50. So I'm planning to get a new pair of glasses, guys, because as mentioned to you before, my glasses these ones are too heavy. So see, so you can see this leaves that marks on my nose. It's a bit, yeah, annoying, guys, because if I don't wear my glasses, I've got my contact lens on and I put makeup on, like seriously, that is so bothering me, those two marks on my nose. So yeah, guys, we are going to get another pair of glasses now and we'll see what we find. I've got Mimi. Hello. So yeah, we're still at High Point, guys. Paris. Paris. Hi. What have you got? Hi guys, we're just going to Oscar WYLEE, guys. We'll have a look at frames. And yeah, so show them up. And then stop it. Okay raman, cada man. This one, try this one. Dalaan na lang na siya. Hello. Yeah, just browsing. So guys, I'm just trying on a few pairs. What do you think about that? It looks nice, I think. Here's the other one. So guys, I am planning to get these two. So as you can see, it's two pairs for $199. And that's with the lenses already, guys. Okay, I think this looks good. And they're very lightweight, guys. So that's the main thing. That's what I'm looking for. Obviously, how comfortable it is. And also, yeah, you have to consider the looks as well, right? So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this too. Hi guys, so we are home now, and I'm so sorry I wasn't able to vlog after I purchased the glasses because Paris went bonkers. Like seriously, she was very sleepy, guys, so that's why she was a Suki baby before. But after we went to High Point Shopping Center, we went straight to pick up Dada from the gym, and then we went to visit Mike's grandpa. So that would be Paris's great grandpa. Yeah, honey? She's okay now, guys. She has her good sleep, and she had her milk, and also she was able to play at grandpa's backyard. So yeah, now she's happy, she's satisfied. So yeah guys, I bought the 2 glasses. However, I won't be able to get them until yeah, they won't be ready for another 2 weeks because they have to obviously put my my lenses on the frames. So that's what's happening, but I think they're gonna be ready beforehand. Like yeah, I think they will be ready, they will be earlier than 2 weeks. So here's that. Yeah, so I am looking forward to getting them. And oh, also actually the glasses was like $199, right, for 2, because for 1 glasses it's $169, so if you get 2 it's $199. So go figure, it's only $30 difference. So I thought I'm just gonna get 2. And also with one of them I added they have like the blue light thingy, so they recommended it to me because obviously I work in an office environment, so Monday to Friday all day you're in front of the computer, and it's definitely seriously straining your eyes. So like this one is just a normal lens, so there's no blue kachi, I forgot how they called it. But yeah, it's really good if, especially if if you're facing the computer all the time. So what I've done, because it's extra $80, so I just added it on one of the glasses, and then the other one is just normal, just like what I'm wearing right now. So yeah, it was all good. I'm excited for them, and I can't wait to get them. You what, honey? Do you want to say hi to the camera? Come on. Hi, hi, hi. Can you say hi to the camera? No? No? High five, Mama. High five. High. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Oh, how about the baby on the bus go wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. No? No? Okay. Alright. Well, yeah, thank you guys for being with us today, for watching our vlogs. Hopefully you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We would like you to be part of this family, don't we, honey? Yeah, so ooh, until our next video, guys. Wait. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.